How rich is Rishi Sunak, the UK's new Prime Minister? With an estimated net worth of £730 million, the UK will for the first time have a Prime Minister who is richer than the monarch. Sunak is believed to be the wealthiest MP in the House of Commons. The Prime Minister owns a portfolio of houses spread around the world, including a £7 million family home in West London and a £2 million weekend mansion in Yorkshire, kitted out with an indoor swimming pool, a yoga studio, tennis court, boating house and an ornamental lake. There's also an apartment in Santa Monica, California and another flat in West London. Sunak has previously drawn controversy for posing with an £180 smart coffee mug while overseeing the UK budget and touring a building site in £450 Prada loafers. But how did he get so rich?
I have friends who are, working class, but not working class.
Sunak made a portion of his own fortune while working in the city, starting out at Goldman Sachs before jumping ship to a series of hedge funds. In 2009, he married Akshata Murthy, the daughter of Indian businessman N.R. Narayana Murthy, who was worth an estimated $4.5 billion after founding the global IT company Infosys. As Prime Minister, Sunak is entitled to a salary of over £164,000, while he will also be entitled to the Prime Minister's apartment at 10 Downing Street, country pad checkers, and other official residences.